my channel. What have I got going on for you for today? Today I am doing a clean with me. A few months back, upon subscriber request, I ordered brandless items. I ordered some food items and snack items and some cleaning items. And for those of you who don't know what Brandless is a brandless website. They carry products that are literally brandless. And for the most part, all of them are organic, vegan, and non-GMO, non-animal tested, cruelty-free. It's a pretty cool website, and everything on the website is a flat $3. And so I tried it out. Kayla, Allie, and I tried out the snacks and some food, and we really liked it. I'll link that video in the description box below if you'd like to see it. And so today I am going to be trying out all of the cleaning supplies that I ordered from Brandless in that haul. I'm doing this clean with me for a couple of different reasons. One being my house is a hot mess, and it seemed like a really good time to try out all of the Brandless cleaning supplies. And two, I think that clean with me videos, they kind of serve as a motivation. I know from time to time it is really hard for me to get motivated to clean the house, and so I kind of let things go, and then it builds up, and then I've got a hot mess like I do today. And so I think that sometimes it can be motivational and it can be fun to actually clean along with somebody. So let's jump into this and let's start cleaning.
I like to start off in the kitchen because I feel like the kitchen takes the longest to do. And so at night, I always will empty out the sink and put whatever dishes are dirty in the dishwasher. So before I go to bed, I can start and run the dishwasher. Lately, I've been using these dishwasher tabs by Finish. I really like these, and I've seen really good results with them. In the past, I have made my own dishwashing tabs. I'll link that video in the description box below if you're interested. But pairing these dishwasher tabs with this Finish Jet Dry, I really love the way my dishes come out. They come out spot-free, they come out dry, and they come out smelling really great. Once I'm done doing my dishes, I typically do use dish soap to clean out my sink. And so today I am trying the dish soap by Brandless. And this is in the scent of balsamic, citrus, and grapefruit. It smells amazing. It is a very, I would say, concentrated soap. I'm really happy with the way that it feels, the way that it smells, and the way that it cleans. I got sent two for $3, and so I got sent two different scents, this lavender or lilac as well. I was pleasantly surprised when I decided to try out the Brandless cleaners that they had a granite and stone polish and cleaner. And so this was definitely something that I wanted to try out because I do have granite countertops. And I gotta say, I am pretty happy with the way that it works. It is leaving a shine, and it came in the one scent, which was lavender. And not only does it clean, but it was polishing it too as well. It didn't shine it as good as a granite polish does, but it didn't leave that foggy, clouded look on the granite that you typically get from a cleaner. And who doesn't battle the fingerprint battle with stainless steel? I tell ya, if I didn't love the look of stainless steel so much, I would do away with it, because more times than not, there are fingerprints or watermarks that are on the stainless steel, and it is just an ongoing battle, one that I am constantly battling and wiping down my refrigerator and any of my other appliances because of the fingerprints or watermarks. And the stainless steel cleaner that I use is just this basic stainless steel cleaner that you can get at Walmart for under $4. When it comes to my couches, these couches are about 5 years old, and these were the first set of new couches that I had ever had. And so because I wanted to really try and keep the cushions as clean as I could, having 3 kids, I knew that that would be a battle. And so I choose to keep my cushions covered with blankets, which seems to be a lifesaver, because you'd be surprised at how dirty these blankets get. And it's so easy just to take the blankets off and wash them and know that I just saved my cushions, because it's so much easier to clean the blankets than it would be to clean your cushions. And I figure that this is temporary. Once the kids grow up and I don't need these blankets anymore, I'll take them off and then my couches will be like new. The furniture polish that I use on my wood furniture is by Pledge. It is this extra moisturizing furniture polish. It nourishes and conditions. I feel like that is really important because I do live in a drier climate. And so to sustain the life of my wood furniture and to really keep it as nice as possible for as long as possible, I use a moisturizing polish. This here is my guest bathroom, and this is the bathroom that I just recently updated. I did a mini makeover on it. I'll link that video in the description box below if you're interested in seeing it. This bathroom is the bathroom that I get Allie ready for school in, and today I am cleaning it with the tub and tile cleaner from Brandless. I sprayed the cleaner on the inside of the bathroom sink and on the countertops, and I'm thinking that I sprayed a bit too much because this seems to be a very concentrated cleaner. It is very sudsy, it smells amazing, and so I'm feeling like a little goes a long way with this cleaner. I like to use these white reusable wipes that the Dollar Tree carries. They work really great for wiping up all that excess water so you don't have water spots on your sink. It's a great alternative to paper towels. And for my mirrors, I did pick up the Brandless glass cleaner as well. I actually ended up getting a bundle of cleaners, and all of the cleaners that you see in this video today were in this bundle for, I believe, $20. The bundle also came with this toilet bowl cleaner. This is a 24-ounce bottle, and it comes in the scent of Summer Breeze. It seems to be very thick, which is good, and it smells amazing. For the outside of the toilet, I want to use something that has bleach in it. When it comes to a toilet, I just don't feel good about cleaning the outside of the toilet with something that doesn't have bleach in it, and so I will be using this all-purpose cleaner with bleach. It is the Great Value brand. The last time I did one of these Clean With Me videos, I had so many questions about my toilet seat. It is a 2-in-1 type toilet seat. It has the trainer toilet seat that is attached to it, and it is magnetically held to the lid when you're not using it. I am one who did not believe in using a toilet trainer outside of the toilet because I just did not want to clean up that mess. I just felt like it was easier just to train Allie on our toilet, so that way there was no hassle, there was no fuss, there was no me having to clean up her toilet. And so this toilet seat honestly was perfect, and it was hassle-free, and she trained very easily in it. Now on to the master bedroom where I am making my bed. I am one of those people, I have to make my bed. I cannot get into an unmade bed at the end of the day. If my bed has ever been unmade at the end of the day, I tell you, I will make it before I get back in it. It is rare that that happens, but on occasion it does, and I will make it before I get into bed. The quilt that you see on the top of my bed is a quilt that I actually found on Amazon, and I found it for $45 for a California king. I loved it. It matched my room perfectly, and it was just what I was looking for because I wanted something a bit lighter than a comforter, and I just don't make my bed every day with a comforter, and I was tired of not having my bed made, and so this was perfect, and for $45, you cannot beat that. And can I just tell you that these are my all-time favorite pictures of Allison when she was just a little thing under a year old. They are just so precious to me, my favorite pictures of her, so they are pictures that I will keep on my dresser probably forever. And I am a bit behind on putting away my laundry, so this is definitely something that needs to be put away because I think it has been sitting there for probably 3 or 4 days. No joke. And we are just about done. I'm doing the master bathroom now. It was a bit of a mess from a couple days of getting ready in a hurry and not quite cleaning up after myself. And so for this bathroom, again, I will be using the Brandless Tub and Tile Cleaner, and I learned my lesson the first time, and I am spraying the cleaner on the sponge because it really does seem to go pretty far, and that is pretty amazing because it was only $3, and I am really happy with this cleaner. It smells amazing too. And the one item that I haven't had a chance to try out is this multi-surface cleaner by Brandless. So I decided I'd try it out on my bathtub to see how it works. This bathtub doesn't get used very often at all. I would say the only person who ever uses this bathtub is Allie, and I tell ya, I have got a box full of bath bombs right there in the bathtub on the ledge of it because she likes full access to her bath bombs. So I'd say she probably uses this bathtub maybe once every couple of weeks, and it's just because she wants to have a bath bomb bath. Because my floors are looking pretty good, there's just some hair and crumbs throughout the house. I think I can get away with just vacuuming today. If I need to do some spot treatments, I'll pull out my Swiffer and just do some touch-ups here and there and save the mopping for next cleaning day.
Well, don't I feel accomplished now? I tell you, there is something about having your whole house clean, getting things in order that just makes you feel like, my house most definitely needed it, and I feel good about it. It is ready for the weekend, so I can do it all over again next week. So what are my thoughts about the Brandless cleaning supplies? I am really impressed with all of them, except the glass cleaner. That glass cleaner was horrendous. No matter what I did, it put film all over my mirrors and left streaks like I have never seen before. I tried using it with lint-free cloth and paper towels, and both ways it looked equally horrendous. The toilet bowl cleaner smelled amazing, believe it or not. I actually really love the smell of the tub and tile cleaner. It is very concentrated, and so as I was cleaning, like I told you, I learned not to spray it all over my countertops, but to spray it on my sponge because you really don't need that much when using this, which is really good because that tells me that it's gonna last longer and go farther. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, and if you're interested in seeing more motivational cleaning videos, leave me a comment in the comments below and let me know, because I go off of your feedback, and that really is what drives me to make the videos that I make and post the ones that I post. Until next time, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic day. Happy everything on a budget. Happy cleaning. And bye for now. Is there such a thing as that? I don't know.